Welcome to Eastern Paradigm. I'm Xavier Basumatari. Four individuals from Gossaigaon, Assam, tragically lost their lives in a fatal landslide on Arunachal Pradesh's National Highway number 13. They were en route to attend a Christian religious healing ceremony in Dumporijo when their car was hit by rocks during the landslide. Identified as Christopher Hemram, Abhijit Hemram, Nirmal Hemram and Lakshminath Kisku, all victims hailed from Gossaigaon subdivision in Assam's Kokrajhar district. Their mortal remains are expected to reach Gossaigaon soon. The Raga police station recovered the bodies from the debris on Friday evening. The incident has deeply saddened and affected the communities involved. One of the deceased individuals was Mr. Christopher Hemram, a popular spiritual leader among the Christian diaspora who had dedicated his life to the service of Christian and humanity. The community, especially in Kokrajhar, Assam, is deeply traumatized following the news of his death. His passing has left the Christian community in profound grief. That was all about today's report. For more such updates, stay tuned with Eastern Paradigm.